Hey you guys, I am back and I want to show you guys how to make large shrimps during a hurricane. So we're going to name these shrimps right here hurricane shrimps. You see how large they are? Let's get a close up. Okay. Okay you guys, the first thing you're going to do is peel your shrimps. You want to get the skin off the shrimps just like so. That's what we're going to do. Get it all off just like so. So easy to peel shrimps. I'm sure you guys know how to. Okay, you guys, the shrimps are all peeled. Beautiful shrimp. And then the second thing you want to do is cut up you some green onions and some parsley, big flakes, fresh parsley. Okay. Okay, you guys, here's the ingredients that you're gonna need. The seasoning: a little chili, paprika, seafood season, Old Bay, olive oil, and butter. That's all you need. You guys, don't forget that you need your little stove too. I have a little gas, little stove here. You know, it's during the hurricane time, so you guys gonna need something. Any little plate, hot plate, little stove. Okay, you guys, once you get your little stove, your hot plate that you're using for the hurricane time, you just go ahead, fire it up, put your frying pan on there, just like so. Get you a little bit of olive oil, add it to the frying pans, just like that. And these are going to be butter shrimp, so definitely got to add your butter. So I'm going to add 2 big quarts of butter, just like so. Just like that. Okay. While the butter is melting, just add over my green onions into it. And let that cook until the butter is completely melt. Just like so. Okay, you guys, now that the butter is melt all the way down and my green onions is cooking into it, you can go ahead and just add your shrimps into it, just like that. These are extra large shrimp. Like that. Beautiful. Add them into there. Add them in there just like so. I'll take it and I'm going to season it up a little bit. Go ahead and add a little chili. Just a little bit to it. Paprika. Just like so. You know I don't measure, you guys, so. Seafood season. Add some Old Bay. It's coming out. There we go. Okay. And this is the lemon kind. Just add a tiny bit. You don't have to add much of it. Okay. I'm gonna let that get into it like so. And it's best to cover it. If you have a cover, which I didn't bring with me, I just got everything ran from the hurricane. So, if you have a cover, you can use your cover. It'll cook the shrimps better. And take some fresh parsley, you guys, and put over it. Just like so. should look. We'll cut this down a little bit. Let them simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. But it's best to cover. So cover them, you guys, and I'm going to come back when they're all done. Okay, you guys, the shrimps are all done. I'm going to go ahead and serve up a plate and come right back. Okay, you guys, it is all served, and this is what it looks like. So I just added some lemon and lime to it, and some cilantro, and serve it up. Here are your hurricane shrimp. Hurricane shrimps. So don't think that you can't make a meal just because you have no lights. The hurricane, you guys surely can. And there's your hurricane shrimps looking beautiful. We're going to go in for a taste too. Okay, you guys, I found me a taster. So she's going to give y'all the real response, whether it's good or not. So here we go.
Hurricane shrimp. Let me taste this.
Squeeze a little lemon on that thing, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Damn! This tastes good.
They good?
Yeah.
There you have it. They good. You heard it.